Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So in this video we'll do one problem from extractive metallurgy. This question is basically from electrometallurgy part, and this question is related to zinc electrowinning question. Okay, so this question is basically from previous year of GATE metallurgy, that is from 2017, and this question is very important. Okay, so the question is zinc electrowinning cell is operated at a current of 400 ampere, voltage of 3.5 volt, and a cathodic current efficiency 90%. Okay, so these are the given data. The specific energy consumption in kilojoule per kg zinc is. Okay, so they are asking about the specific energy consumption. Okay, so how to find the specific energy consumption? So atomic weight of zinc is also given here, and they did not give the unit of atomic weight of zinc, so you may consider like that gram per mole. Okay, so this is the unit of this atomic weight of zinc. Generally they don't give the unit of this atomic weight. Okay, so first of all we will try to write down the given data. So I value is given, current is given, so current is 400 ampere, that is 400 ampere, and voltage is also given, that is V, that is 3.5 volt, and a cathodic current efficiency means eta C, that is this C is for cathodic and eta is for efficiency. So cathodic efficiency is given, that is 90%, or you can say 0.90. This is in fraction. Okay, so they are asking the about the specific energy consumption. So according to the Faraday law, we know that W is equals to ZIT by NF. So this is the formula which you have read till now, but now I will introduce one new formula for finding the value of specific energy consumption. Okay, so what is the formula for specific energy consumption? So specific energy consumption you may write down like that: E is equals to N F E cell. This E cell is basically potential. Okay, so if you are getting confused with this E cell, so you may also write down this E cell as V. Okay, so this V by eta C into Z. Okay, so now this is the formula for specific energy consumption. And how did we get this formula? You can do the unit balance also, and you can find whether this formula is correct or not. Okay, so now we will balance the unit. Okay, so what is the unit of this specific energy consumption? We will try to find out. So N value is basically number of ions that is taking part in this electrowinning phenomena. Okay, so F is Faraday's constant, and this Faraday's constant unit is coulomb per mole. Okay, and V is volt, so you can write like that, volt by eta C. There this eta C, that efficiency doesn't have any unit, because this is the ratio of this is the ratio value, that is that this efficiency does not have any unit. Okay, so this is unitless. This Z is basically atomic weight of zinc. So atomic weight of zinc is in gram per mole. Okay, so we can write like that, gram per mole. So mole will go above. Okay, so mole get cancelled, and this coulomb volt, so we'll have unit like that. Why I am doing this? Because I want to show you that how to calculate this specific energy consumption in this unit, that is kilojoule per kg. Okay, so coulomb into volt by gram. Okay, so this coulomb into volt is basically what? This coulomb and volt is equals to joules. Okay, so joule per gram. So whenever we will calculate specific energy consumption by using this formula, you will get answer in joule per gram. Okay, so now in this question they are asking about in kilojoule per kg. So we will see how to change this joule per gram in kilojoule per kg after the solution of this question. Okay, so joule per gram is the unit of specific energy consumption. Okay, and how did we get joule? Because coulomb multiplied by volt is equals to joule, because we know 1 volt is energy, 1 volt is energy, 1 joule of energy done by 1 coulomb of charge, or you can say that 1 volt is defined as the energy consumption of 1 joule per electric charge of 1 coulomb. Okay, so from there we got this unit. Okay, so now we will put the values here and we'll find the answer. Okay, so we need to find this E value, that is energy, specific energy consumption. So N value is basically 2, that is for zinc. Okay, F is Faraday constant, that is 96500. So here I need to write that is 596500 coulomb per mole. Every time whenever you are writing given data, please write down into the with the units. Okay, so that you can find the formula itself by the units, by using the units. So suppose this question comes first time in exam, so you can also do this question by unit balance also. Okay, so that's why unit is very important and unit conversion is also very important. So F is 96500 and V value is given, that is 3.5. Eta C is 0.90 and Z value is given, that is 65. Okay, so from here we will get that E value. E value will be 11547 and this will be in joule per gram. Okay, because I told you whenever you will use this formula, the unit of this specific energy consumption will be joule per gram only. Okay, so 11547 joule per gram, where we will get the specific energy, but here in this question they are asking in kilojoule per kg. Okay, so how to convert this gram into per kg? So 11547, if we will divide this value by 10 to power minus 3, so that will be joule per kg. Okay, and this will go above like that, 10 to the power 3, so this will be like that, joule per kg. And if we will remove this 10 to power 3, it will come like that, 11547 kilojoule per kg. Okay, I hope you understood the unit conversion here. Okay, so this is just unit conversion, nothing more. Okay, so try to remember this formula, specific energy consumption, that is E is equals to NFV by eta C into Z. Okay, and this formula is also very important, but this formula is not applicable here, but we can derive this formula from this formula only. Okay, so derivation is not important, but direct using formula is very important here. So try to remember this formula and try to remember this concept. This concept is also very important for GATE 2021. Okay, so please try to remember these all things. This will be beneficial for your practice purpose. Okay, so this question is basically asked by one of the student. I hope this question the solution of this question is very clear to you. And suppose if you find any problem or any queries regarding this question, you can directly contact us on Instagram or you can comment below in the comment section. Okay, so correct answer for this question is 11547 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.